Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ray, DIY Nation, back in the house. Guys, got another eye candy type of video for my BMW's R1300 GSA or GS riders out there. As you see in front of you guys, I finally got my top case. Something that's been on back order for the longest from BMW. Received it, glad to have it. So now I have the entire set for my bike. Now, dealing with this case, as you notice when you have your passenger, there's no cushioning to help their comfort. So I end up finding something on Amazon. And again, I will put an affiliate link of these two items or this items in the description. Please use that link. It does support this channel, and I greatly appreciate it if you use that link. All right. And please to consider like, subscribe, and hit all the notification buttons. And if you want to buy a brother a cup of coffee, check out the donation button also. Pretty straightforward. It has the 3M backing tape and back of it. So I'm just going to apply it here and show it to you. If you guys are interested in picking this up, very reasonable price, all right? Again, you're not paying BMW price. So, you know, we bought the freaking bike. We're trying to save some money on the back end, and that's what this is about. So stay with me. Please consider like, subscribe, and let's just get to it. Let's go. Just make sure, get some alcohol, of course, clean that off. Very straightforward. And that's that. Let's see if I can show it to you guys how it looks. Okay, just what you're gonna do with the top piece, I suggest having like a little heat gun to help you soften this up a little bit so you can bend over this. You are gonna have like a little gap here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tape this over here. I'm gonna get some plastic seal or plastic dip and fill that gap there so it looks nice and flush. You're gonna have to trim the bottom. Let me show you. When you open up that part right here, I'm gonna get a razor blade. I'm just gonna trim it at an angle right here. So when you close it, it doesn't catch. That's all. And you won't see it underneath here anyway. And that's that. All right, easy, very easy to apply, very reasonable in price. Check out the link below for this particular model, and I'll just see you in the next one.